What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna make a paper airplane. Instead of turning it this way, we're gonna keep it up. So we're gonna grab the edges and nicely fold it this way. If you guys are wondering, you shouldn't do that. So now you're just gonna turn it. So you nicely gonna do this way and nicely do it this way. There, guys. This is my little hard way. I'm gonna turn it this way. Then turn it this way. You guys can always pause the video if you're ahead of if I jumped off. This is an easy part. You're just gonna fold it more and see if it looks good. And try if it's not good, you should if the edges are not in the right place, you can always just put it differently. Now you guys gonna fold and fold. And now we're gonna kind of get it out, and then we're gonna let it just go like this way. Then just this way. And that's the end. And you officially made a paper airplane. Now when you finish it, look how, oh wait, that is the door. It might go really well, guys. Look. Now you only turn right there. Yeah. You should try it out your own. Look, I think we're gonna try to make it go there. Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna grab it and hopefully I make it. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Cut it. Guys, this is my collection. Right here, I want to show you my collection. You can cut, if you live in my house, and we live in where I live, or in my neighborhood, you can come and I'll give you something. Instead of this football, instead of this whole row. You can't take anything from this row, only from these rows. All these instead of that, and that, and that. These are this and this, and this and this you cannot take. Everything else you can take. Okay, guys? Hopefully you can come here and get something. Bye, guys!